Modern replacement windows in Clawson MI can dramatically improve curb appeal, comfort, and long-term home value. For homeowners comparing replacement window styles for homes in Clawson, Michigan, options like double-hung, casement, picture, and custom sizes can be matched to the character of the property and the needs of Michigan weather. Many local residents near downtown Clawson, Main Street, and the Birmingham border choose modern replacement windows in Clawson MI for improved curb appeal while also reducing drafts, condensation, and seasonal heat loss. The signs your window replacement Clawson MI are often easy to spot once you know what to look for. Drafts, foggy glass, rotting frames, rising utility bills, sticky sashes, and poor insulation are common indicators that it may be time for window replacement in Clawson, Michigan. Homeowners with replacement windows for drafty houses in Clawson MI often notice uneven room temperatures and noise intrusion from nearby roads, especially in neighborhoods close to Rochester Road, 14 Mile Road, and the Madison Heights border. Energy efficiency is one of the biggest reasons local homeowners invest in new windows for homes in Clawson, Michigan and surrounding suburbs. Energy-efficient window installation near Clawson MI can help reduce heat transfer, improve indoor comfort, and lower monthly heating costs during harsh winters. Many property owners searching for how to reduce energy bills with new windows in Clawson MI find that high-performance glass packages, insulated frames, and professional installation make a measurable difference in overall home efficiency. Choosing the best window replacement Clawson MI depends on budget, style, durability, and insulation goals. Vinyl window replacement services in Clawson MI remain popular because vinyl is low maintenance, cost-effective, and well-suited to Midwest temperature swings. Homeowners looking for affordable window replacement in Clawson MI for older homes often compare vinyl replacement windows in Clawson MI for local homeowners against fiberglass and wood-clad options to determine the best balance of performance and long-term value. Older homes in the area often need specialized solutions that respect the architecture while improving efficiency. Window replacement options for older homes in Clawson MI may include custom sizing, historically appropriate grids, and upgraded insulation features that preserve the home's original look. Custom window replacement in Clawson, Michigan for historic houses is especially useful for older properties near downtown Clawson, where maintaining character matters just as much as improving comfort and performance. Understanding how much does window replacement Clawson MI depends on window style, frame material, glass package, labor, and whether any frame replacement is required. Window replacement quotes in Clawson MI typically vary based on the number of openings, custom dimensions, and the complexity of installation. Homeowners requesting window replacement estimates in Clawson MI and Oakland County should compare product warranties, energy ratings, and the experience level of the installer rather than focusing on price alone. The best energy-efficient replacement windows for Clawson homes are usually those designed for cold climate performance and year-round durability. Double-pane window replacement for homes in Clawson is a strong starting point for many families, while triple-pane versus double-pane windows for Clawson homes becomes an important comparison for anyone prioritizing maximum insulation and noise reduction. Energy-efficient window replacement in Clawson, Michigan for winter is especially valuable for houses exposed to wind, shade, or older framing conditions. What to expect during window replacement in Clawson MI is a straightforward process when handled by experienced professionals. The residential window replacement process in Clawson, Michigan typically includes an inspection, measuring, product selection, scheduling, removal of old units, and careful installation with sealing and cleanup. Homeowners who hire local window replacement experts in Clawson, Michigan for homeowners often appreciate clear communication, minimal disruption, and precise fitment from start to finish. Window frame replacement and installation in Clawson, Michigan can be necessary when existing frames have suffered water damage, rot, or structural deterioration. In these cases, a simple glass swap is not enough, and a full replacement window solution provides better insulation and long-term stability. House window replacement in Clawson, Michigan for energy savings often includes frame upgrades that reduce air infiltration and help create a tighter building envelope for the entire home. Noise-reducing replacement windows for Clawson neighborhoods are an excellent choice for homeowners who live near busier corridors or want a quieter indoor environment. Laminated glass, insulated spacers, and airtight installation can noticeably reduce outside sound from traffic and neighborhood activity. Many residential window replacement near Clawson MI and Madison Heights projects are selected specifically for acoustic comfort, making them a smart upgrade for families, remote workers, and light sleepers. For homeowners comparing styles and service providers, home window replacement contractors in Clawson, Michigan should offer both product knowledge and local installation experience. The best window replacement company in Clawson MI and nearby areas will understand regional weather demands, local housing styles, and the needs of properties near Royal Oak, Troy, and Birmingham. Whether you need professional window installation in Clawson MI near Birmingham border, residential window installation in Clawson MI near Maple Road, or replacement windows in Clawson MI near 14 Mile Road, choosing licensed window replacement service in Clawson MI near Main Street helps ensure quality results and dependable performance.